What if Earth suddenly stopped spinning? At first, you might think nothing would happen because the ground beneath your feet would still be there. But Earth is spinning incredibly fast, and everything on its surface is already moving with it. At the equator, the ground is moving at roughly 1,670 kilometers per hour. If Earth stopped instantly, your body would keep moving because of inertia, the tendency of moving objects to keep moving. People, cars, trees, buildings, and even the oceans would be caught up in this sudden change. The atmosphere would also keep moving, creating enormous winds racing around the planet. These winds could become far more powerful than the strongest hurricanes we experience today. The oceans would also surge across the land as enormous waves rushed forward. Coastal cities could be hit by gigantic walls of water, but stopping Earth's rotation would change much more than the weather. Earth's rotation helps create our normal 24-hour cycle of day and night. If Earth stopped rotating but continued orbiting the Sun, one complete day would eventually last about a year. That means many places could experience months of sunlight followed by months of darkness. The side facing the sun for months would become extremely hot. The side facing away from the sun for months would become extremely cold. Plants would struggle because their normal cycles of sunlight and darkness would completely change. Animals would also have to survive a world where day and night lasted for months instead of hours. But Earth would not stop traveling around the sun because rotation and orbit are two different motions. Even without spinning, Earth would continue following its path around the sun. Earth's rotation also makes our planet slightly wider around the equator than from pole to pole. Without that rotation, Earth would slowly become a little more spherical. The oceans would gradually shift as Earth's shape and gravity reached a new balance. The sun would also appear to move much more slowly across the sky. Instead of seeing a sunrise and sunset every 24 hours, you could eventually experience one extremely long day followed by one extremely long night. Luckily, Earth is not suddenly going to slam on the brakes. Earth's rotation is slowing very gradually, by only a tiny amount over millions of years. So the next time you watch the sunrise, remember that you are standing on a planet spinning through space at incredible speed. That invisible motion helps shape our days, nights, weather, oceans, and even the shape of our planet. Earth may feel completely still beneath your feet, but right now, you are traveling through space on a spinning planet.